Welcome back. People think that after the age of 70, the body starts to weaken, muscles become fragile, strength decreases, and the body becomes sluggish. However, Japanese scientists have discovered a natural phenomena that amazed everyone. In small seeds, a protein was found to be over 21 times more effective than eggs in strengthening muscles in older adults. Within just a few weeks, people feel the strength and vitality that they had lost. Their legs become stronger, balance improves, and new energy surges through their bodies. So let's explore the full details of these seeds. Number 1, chia seeds. In ancient times, these tiny seeds were referred to as the trier of natural energy. Today, science has proven that to be true. Chia seeds are rich in protein, calcium, iron, and omega 3 fatty acids, which are immensely beneficial for the health of muscles, bones, and the heart. The most important benefit of these seeds is their ability to enhance the body's utilization of protein, which helps rebuild and strengthen weak muscles in the elderly. Research indicates that consuming just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily can improve muscle repair by up to 25%, especially in people over the age of 60. The fiber and antioxidants found in chia seeds help eliminate toxins from the body and reduce inflammation and pain. These seeds also boost hydration, keeping the body feeling strong and refreshed for longer periods. The best way to use them is to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water or milk and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Once they expand, drink the mixture. You can also mix them into smoothies or yogurt before consuming. These seeds work from within, rejuvenating muscles and keeping the body strong and stable for a long time. Number 2, flax seeds, which are one of the natural foods that contain more omega 3 fatty acids than fish. These seeds not only strengthen muscles but also reduce inflammation and pain within the body. According to research conducted by the University of Toronto, flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation by up to 52% and increase protein synthesis by 27%, especially in individuals over 60 years of age. These seeds are rich in arginine and glutamine, which the body cannot produce sufficiently in older individuals. Therefore, flax seeds help fill the deficiency of essential amino acid necessary for maintaining muscle mass. The most interesting aspect is the presence of lignans in flax seeds, which improve insulin sensitivity by up to 35%, directly impacting muscle growth because insulin helps muscle cells absorb protein and nutrients. A study published in the Canadian Journal of Physiology proved that individuals who consumed 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds over 1 or 2 weeks increased their muscle mass by 1.5 pounds and reduced 2.2 pounds of fat without changing their diet or exercise habits, which is a surprising result. A crucial reminder is to always consume ground flax seeds because whole seeds pass through the body without being digested. Mixing 1 or 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds with oats, smoothies, or yogurt in the morning is very effective. It forms a gel-like consistency that provides a feeling of fullness, gradually release energy, and helps regulate blood sugar, a vital aspect for better muscle growth in the elderly. When mixed with yogurt or kefir, the process of protein absorption increases by up to 40% because good bacteria break down the fiber and quickly deliver amino acids to the body. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. The small green pumpkin seeds are truly a trier of protein. Every 100 grams of pumpkin seeds contain approximately 30 grams of protein, making them one of the most protein-rich foods in the world. The most unique characteristic of pumpkin seeds is their zinc content. Just 1 ounce of these can fulfill 20% of your daily zinc requirement. Zinc is an essential mineral for muscle recovery and testosterone production, especially for individuals aged 70 and above. According to experts from Germany, they have discovered that pumpkin seeds contain a specific protein called curcumin, which can reduce pain and inflammation post-exercise by up to 45%. With this benefit, older individuals can engage in more exercise and recover more quickly in terms of muscle strength. In addition to protein, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. A small handful of these can fulfill half of your daily magnesium needs. Magnesium is a vital mineral that aids in over 300 processes in the body, including muscle protein synthesis and repair. Noticeably, 68% of people aged 70 and above are deficient in magnesium, but this deficiency can easily be resolved with pumpkin seeds. Moreover, these seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect proportion required by the body's muscles. Additionally, the seeds are rich in tryptophan, which not only strengthens muscles but also enhances sleep quality by up to 40%. We all know that during deep sleep, the body produces more growth hormone and repairs muscles faster. According to research from the International Journal of Sports Nutrition, elderly individuals who consume 40 grams of pumpkin seeds daily and regularly exercise experienced a 60% greater increase in their muscle mass over 10 weeks compared to those who sourced protein from eggs. These seeds are truly nature's muscle booster, rejuvenating the strength and energy of youth. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, often considered a common snack, actually contain 21 grams of complete protein per 100 grams according to modern research. This protein provides 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. These seeds are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle from weakness and the effects of aging. The arginine content in them enhances blood flow, aiding in the efficient delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the muscles to resolve their strength. According to recent studies, older adults who consumed 30 grams of sunflower seeds daily experienced a 15% increase in grip strength within just 8 weeks. The best way to eat these seeds is to soak them overnight in water with a pinch of salt to improve digestion. In the morning, they can be consumed raw, lightly cooked, or spread on bread as a delicious, natural, energizing food. Number 5. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are among the most nutritious foods, referred by the NASA as a complete food for astronauts. In every 100 grams, they contain 31 grams of protein with a 94% digestion rate, making them the most effective source of protein, especially for adults. This protein in hemp seeds, called edestin, is similar to human blood plasma, so it's easily absorbed by the body and aids in muscle building without putting excessive strain on the kidneys. According to Australian experts, hemp seeds possesses the perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 at 3:1, which prevents inflammation by up to 58% and speeds up muscle recovery by up to 35%. The gamma-linolenic acid in hemp seeds is a special fatty acid that reduces inflammation and may increase muscle strength by up to 25% in just 6 weeks. Hemp seeds are also rich in leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis even more so than eggs, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. These seeds can be mixed into salads, smoothies, soups, or yogurt. Regular consumption of 3 to 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds daily help the body stay in an anabolic state, meaning continuous muscle growth while preventing significant muscle loss as one ages. Number 6. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have symbolized strength, youth, and health for centuries. These seeds are rich in nutrients that help the body remain strong at all stages of life. They are packed with protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc, naturally strengthening muscle, bone, and joints, especially in individuals over 70 years of age. Eating sesame seeds daily is incredibly important. Lightly toasting sesame seeds enhances their flavor and improves nutrient absorption by the body. Research indicates that a simple dry pan toasting for just 2 to 3 minutes can boost the protein absorption capabilities of these seeds by up to 45%. Additionally, sesame seeds become tastier and more aromatic when added to salads, vegetables, or yogurt, a highly efficient way to obtain natural protein better than expensive supplements. These seeds not only strengthen muscles but also improve hormone balance in the body. Eating sesame seeds at night has particular benefits. The magnesium content in sesame seeds relaxes the body's muscle and enhances sleep quality. During sleep, muscle repair and growth peak, making nighttime consumption of sesame seeds ideal for those aiming to maintain strength and health. So these were the seeds that can keep you healthy even in old age. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.